This HP 14 laptop in natural silver color weighs just 1.46 kilograms, making it easily portable. It comes pre-installed with Windows 10 Home, making it ready to use. Powered by the AMD Ryzen 5 5500U processor, the laptop allows you to browse and work efficiently. The laptop comes with pre-installed Microsoft Office Home and Student 2019, making it ready for use. The laptop features an 8GB DDR4 RAM, which is upgradable up to 16GB. It also comes with AMD Radeon graphics that allows you to switch easily between applications. The HP laptop comes with 512GB SSD that provides higher responsiveness and faster boot up while being enough to store all your videos, movies and photos. It comes with 41 watt-hours lithium-ion battery. This HP laptop has a 14-inch Full HD anti-glare micro-edge display, offering an immersive viewing experience for watching movies and videos. The laptop comes with Alexa built-in that allows for voice commands. The laptop has two USB 3.0 and one HDMI port for easy connectivity. The laptop comes with power adapter included in the box. This laptop comes with standard brand warranty.